So, how to make money on TikTok Live. I'll be telling you how you can get more people on your live, get way more viewers, much more consistently. I'll be telling you how you could turn those viewers into cash and be able to withdraw that from your TikTok. And I'll also be telling you guys how you can make money in your sleep at the very end of this video, so watch all the way through. I promise you guys this will be gold. No one else on YouTube is talking about this stuff. I've went through so many videos when I was starting out trying to do TikTok lives, and I was not able to find any videos like this. Thanks for coming back for another dose of Joseph. If you're new to this channel, I'm Joseph Henry, and my main goal is to help you grow in social media, especially TikTok, as fast as possible, and be able to monetize it if you're interested in that as well. I have a TikTok tips to go viral playlist on YouTube that I'll be linking below in the description if you're looking to take that seriously. And I also link my TikTok viral chat that you can join, where I'll keep you up to date on all the new trends and all the videos that will help you go viral as quickly as possible. So definitely click that link and join that. If you watch this video and you like what you see, definitely drop a like below because it helps me out a ton, and subscribe because I make tons of videos just like this one. So to start off, just to let you know, I'm making another video that I'll be dropping right after this one. That's gonna break down the TikTok coins in detail. So go watch that one right after this one if you haven't already. Before we get started, I just wanna let you know, if you comment your TikTok username below, I will look at your TikTok and give you some feedback and advice on how you can grow on your TikTok faster. So to get right into it, TikTok allows you to go live once you have 1,000 followers. This allows you to engage with your followers and also gives you the opportunity to make money through donations on TikTok in the form of gifts. If you guys don't have 1,000 followers already, go look at that TikTok playlist that I mentioned to you earlier. I have tons of videos on how you can grow your TikTok fast. And also, as a bonus tip for you, the follow and unfollow method is really good for beginners that are just starting out. Basically, go into any high profile TikToker that has a lot of followers, follow their followers repeatedly, and you'll get tons of follow backs. And by the way, guys, I know I'm wearing the same jacket and it kind of seems like I'm wearing tons of gray shirts, but just to let you know, I'm quarantining with my girlfriend and I have a limited amount of clothes. I do have more jackets than this. Once this is all over, you'll see the unlimited jackets I have. So to get back to the TikTok Live, users can donate coins in the form of gifts, and you can convert these coins into dollars and then withdraw it from your TikTok. In the United States, the only way that you can withdraw is through PayPal. In other countries like Turkey or Egypt, you're able to withdraw into your bank account. It's weird, I know, but in most countries, you can only do it through PayPal. So if you want people to donate to you, you'll need a little bit of a following. I'd say around 5,000 or more. Going live this past week, only 3 days out of the 7. One of the times I went live in my sleep, and the other 2 times I went live for like 1 to 2 hours, I was able to make $400 total. For a lot of you guys watching now, you might be wondering, why would anyone want to donate to me? Or you, I mean. I'll tell you why. When you go live, you can offer incentives to your followers that'll get them to want to donate to you. Some of those incentives being saying their name on the live, shouting them out on the live, duetting them on your profile and tagging them, or giving them advice on their page on how they can grow more. This works really well if you've built up a good following. When you've built up a good following, people will trust you and want your advice. They'll also want you to shout them out, and this can bring in tons of donations. In that other video I mentioned, I break down all the coins and stuff, so be sure to watch that one afterwards. Hey, what's going on? It's all good. Hi, how you doing? Hey, Scooby. Short little interruption. It's all good. I'll be linking that video down below and also at the end of this video. The more that people donate for you in the form of coins and gifts, the more that you can offer to do for them. No, he's not, I mean, it's fine. He's not in the frame, so it's okay. Yeah. Sometimes it can get a little confusing reminding people what you're offering for donations. So what you can do is just write on a piece of paper and tape it on a wall next to you so they can read it. Or what I like to do is use the green screen filter feature on TikTok Live, so you can actually place a photo on the screen and you'll be green screened into the photo. And this is the photo that I use. This photo has all the different breakdowns of things that I'll do for donations, and it makes it super easy for people to know what they're gonna get when they donate. So while I'm live and people are donating, I'll stop what I'm doing to shout people out on the live, and I'll also screenshot the names so I know who donated what. So how do you get more people to come into your live and more viewers to watch what you're doing? You can't just sit there reminding people to donate and doing shout outs constantly, because that gets really boring and a lot of people are gonna drop out of your live. You'll basically look like a beggar on your live, and people will remember you as the guy or girl who has really boring lives and just just begs for money and won't want to join your lives in the future. Now that's what you don't want. So what I do, and I see a lot of other TikTokers doing, is they actually play games with their viewers. The games that we usually play are guessing games. And my favorite one is guess the number I'm thinking from 1 to 50, because I think it's the easiest game to play. Another game that you could play is guess the emoji. And you can have people guess different emojis that you're thinking that are food or sports, for example, or whatever the case may be. Then everyone's gonna comment what they think you might be thinking of, and whoever gets it right gets a shout out on the live. People love this game because it gives them the chance to get free shout outs, and because of this, you'll see your viewers skyrocket, I promise you. Once somebody wins, make sure you tell everybody in the live to go follow that person and tell them that it's only fair that everyone who's participating in these games go follow that person. And then tell everyone to comment done once they follow that person. Once your viewers see that you take these shoutouts very seriously, they'll be more inclined to stay onto your live and play these games. Because if you were to just say, oh, everybody go follow user 12345 all right, next game, then they're gonna see you don't really take it seriously, and they're gonna know that they're not getting a lot of followers when you do shoutouts. And that's gonna make a lot of people drop out of your lives and not play these games. Now, the moment you guys have all been waiting for, how do I make money in my sleep on TikTok Live? What I do is I plug my phone in, I turn off the Bluetooth, I close out all the apps, I turn my brightness all the way down so I don't burn out my battery, and then I use the green screen feature to use this template right here. It tells them that I'm sleeping, it gives them all the incentives I have for them to donate. It has my name and my follower count so that people know I have a lot of followers when they click onto the live. And on this template, I used to have the smaller gifts, but I just realized it's a waste of space because there's no use in telling people to donate for 25 cents down to as low as half a cent, and I feel like it's really not worth it for me. When you put these bigger gifts on the template, you're giving yourself the opportunity to make more money on these lives while you sleep. Also, as a side note, your phone can't be in complete darkness when you're using the green screen feature. For some reason, it just bugs out and goes black and white and switches from the photo to darkness. So you have to have some form of light. I like to keep the phone in my kitchen because I have a little nightlight in there, and it illuminates the phone just enough for the green screen feature to work. Also, if you guys want either of these templates that I've shown you, I'll edit one up for you, but it takes a little bit of time, and time is money, so I'll do it for 20 bucks. Just comment down below if you want one of the templates. So yes, I've made money in my sleep, but no, it's not gonna be as much money as you can make when you are awake, because you're gonna have less viewers because you're not engaging with them. The most I've made while sleeping is about $30, and on average, I'll make about $15 with the amount of followers that I have. But $15 for 7 days a week, if I was to do it every day, is an easy extra 100 bucks that I just make for sleeping, which I'm gonna do anyways. Also, when you wake up, you'll have viewers there waiting for you. Since you've been live for 7 hours, a lot of people have been suggested your live, so you're gonna have more viewers than if you were to just go live while you're awake and engage with your viewers for 30 minutes. So since it's 7 hours and you have a bunch of viewers already watching you, when you wake up, you can go live for like 30 minutes and actually play games with your viewers. And with this tactic, you can make tons of money because you've already gotten that initial boost from being live overnight. So I've literally spilled all the beans on how you can make money on TikTok Live. I've been able to make a good amount of money with these tactics, and going forth, I'm gonna continue to use them to make more money. And you can make this money as well. So go ahead and implement these strategies and watch it work wonders. So if you learned from this video, definitely like below. Also subscribe because I make videos like this all the time. I upload every other day. Again, comment your username below if you want me to take a look at your TikTok. Again, take a look at that TikTok playlist that I mentioned before. I'll be leaving that down in the description also. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.